Imagine waking up on a calm Monday morning to discover that your long-term investment portfolio suddenly plummeted 8% overnight. Your immediate biological instinct is to panic, open your trading application, and liquidate every stock before losing even more money. You convince yourself that you are acting rationally to protect your family, but in reality, you just fell for a deliberate psychological trap. What you never realized is that financial media outlets spend millions of dollars every single year exploiting a bug inside your brain. By the end of this video, you will finally understand the hidden psychological mechanism that constantly drains your bank account without your consent. I break down one powerful psychological concept per video in plain English so you can master your money. So make sure to subscribe right now. Every single day, television networks and online financial portals bombard your brain with terrifying headlines about impending stock market collapses. They know that human attention is naturally wired to react to immediate threat signals far more aggressively than to slow progress. When a sensational headline appears on your screen, your brain instantly stores that vivid image at the top of your active memory bank. Later, when you sit down to make an actual financial decision, your mind automatically grabs the most vivid memory available to judge risk. Psychologists Amos Tversky and Daniel Kahneman officially documented this exact mental shortcut back in 1973 after running landmark experiments. They discovered that humans consistently overestimate the likelihood of events simply because examples of those events are easy to recall. If you can recall a terrifying stock market crash instantly, your mind incorrectly calculates that market crashes happen all the time. Think about the last time you saw a dramatic news broadcast about a rare market crash. Did you verify the actual underlying statistics? Financial media companies do not design their headlines to give you accurate statistical realities. They design them to generate maximum emotional engagement. Sensational doom and gloom stories generate clicks. Clicks generate advertising revenues, and advertising revenues keep their multi-billion-dollar business models profitable. They systematically amplify rare, catastrophic events while completely ignoring decades of steady, boring wealth creation that quietly builds long-term security. Because vivid disaster stories are so easy to remember, your brain acts as if financial ruin is constantly right around the corner. But here is where the problem gets even more dangerous for your personal net worth, and almost nobody notices this happening live. When you base your investment choices on vivid media memories, you consistently make two catastrophic financial errors that cost you thousands. First, you panic sell your sound long-term holdings at the absolute worst possible moment during temporary market downturns and lock in real losses. Second, you jump into overhyped speculative bubbles at the absolute peak because news feeds are flooding you with stories of instant overnight millionaires. In both cases, your decision was driven by recent, highly vivid information rather than objective historical probability or real fundamental value. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you in the next 2 minutes is the part that changes everything for you. Corporate marketing departments and financial news algorithms track your search behavior to feed you increasingly sensational financial content continuously. The more dramatic headlines you click on, the more exaggerated media items the algorithm pushes directly into your daily personal newsfeed. This creates an extreme psychological feedback loop where catastrophic financial warnings feel like the only truth existing in the modern world. You begin to feel isolated, anxious, and financially paralyzed, assuming that every smart person around you is already quietly pulling out cash. The reality is that historical stock market indices have consistently trended upward over multi-decade periods, despite thousands of terrifying media headlines. What you just learned about spending and investing is true, but it also explains why you make mistakes in your daily career. You overemphasize your most recent workplace failure during annual performance reviews because that single bad memory is easiest for you to recall. Meanwhile, you completely discount months of steady, high-quality professional achievements simply because they felt quiet, routine, and emotionally unexciting. The availability heuristic tricks you into believing that the most recent or emotional story is always the most accurate representation of reality. Once you recognize that ease of recall does not equal actual probability, you gain an unfair advantage over average market participants. Most people remain completely unaware that their financial intuition is distorted by media algorithms operating quietly behind their screens every day. When news networks continuously broadcast dramatic headlines about inflation surges, Your mind exaggerates the likelihood of immediate personal bankruptcy. You end up hoarding excess cash in low-yield savings accounts that lose real purchasing power to actual inflation over long periods. The paradox is that trying to avoid short-term emotional risk actually increases your long-term risk of failing to achieve real financial freedom. Media companies understand this psychological flaw perfectly and craft their graphics with extreme colors like bright red to trigger immediate biological urgency. Your ancient brain interprets those bright red breaking news banners as acute physical danger, overriding your rational capacity for cold mathematical analysis. By treating financial market news like entertainment rather than objective raw data, you hand over control of your economic future to corporations. Real financial success requires you to look at long-term statistical averages rather than short-term emotional events broadcast by profit-seeking television networks. When you study historical charts covering 50 or 100 years, the terrifying crashes promoted by news headlines appear as tiny blips. Learning to ignore short-term emotional noise and focus on long-term compound growth is the single most valuable skill in modern wealth building. So how do you practically break free from this powerful psychological trap and keep your hard-earned money fully protected forever? Step 1 requires you to drastically reduce your daily intake of sensationalized, real-time financial commentary and short-term market noise. Replace breaking news alerts with periodic, historical data reports that evaluate long-term market performance over decade-long time horizons instead. Step 2 is implementing a strict, automated investment rule that removes your personal emotional intuition entirely from the decision-making process. When you automate your savings and investments, you prevent your biased brain from making impulse decisions during market panics or manias. Step 3 is creating a written investment policy statement when you are calm, outlining exactly how you will react during market crashes. When market volatility strikes, you simply read your pre-written rules instead of relying on emotional memories triggered by sensational headlines. Step 4 is establishing a mandatory waiting period of 48 hours before executing any unplanned financial transaction triggered by news content. Forcing yourself to pause gives your emotional brain time to cool down and allows your rational mind to assess the real mathematical probabilities. Let us pull this entire concept together so you can remember it and apply it to your life starting right now. Your brain uses the availability heuristic to judge probability based on how easily specific vivid memories come to your mind. Financial media companies exploit this bias by broadcasting dramatic, terrifying news stories designed to hijack your attention for profit. This mental glitch forces smart people to panic sell at market bottoms and buy speculative bubbles at absolute historical peaks. By automating your financial decisions and tuning out daily media noise, you insulate your wealth from emotional manipulation forever. Share this video with one person you know who deserves to understand this psychological trap before making their next financial decision. One simple conversation about cognitive biases could fundamentally transform how they view financial news and protect their life savings forever.